The great Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." But in our modern world, understanding and managing credit is just as crucial. Imagine if one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs, Elon Musk, faced a time when he had to port his personal funds to keep Tesla afloat. His financial decisions and resilience not only shaped his companies, but have since revolutionized entire industries. Much like Elon's journey, credit isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's not the choices we make, the risks we take, and the future we envision for ourselves. Today, we're diving deep into the world of credit. How can you improve it fast? How can it change your life? Stick around to learn, empower, and drive your financial destiny. Repairing personal credit is crucial for those who may have experienced financial hardships, made past mistakes, or simply want to improve their credit worthiness in the eyes of lenders. A robust credit score is essential for securing loans, getting lower interest rates, and even affects aspects of life like renting an apartment or obtaining certain jobs. 1. Understand your credit report. Get a copy of your credit report in the U.S. You're entitled to one free report from each of the three major credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, every 12 months through annualcreditreport.com. Review for inaccuracies. Ensure that all the information is correct. Incorrect information can negatively impact your score. 2. Dispute errors. If you find any discrepancies or errors on your report, dispute them with the credit bureau. They have 30 days to investigate and respond. 3. Pay down debt. High balances lenders look at the ratio of your credit card balance to your credit limit. If it's too high, it can negatively affect your score. Aim to keep your utilization rate below 30%. Focus on high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. This will save you money in the long run. 4. Pay bills on time. Payment history accounts for 35% of your FICO score. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a deadline. 5. Don't close old accounts. Length of credit history is a factor in your credit score. Even if you don't use an old account, keep it open to show a longer credit history. 6. Limit new credit inquiries. Every time a lender pulls your credit report for a hard inquiry, it can impact your score. Limit the number of new credit applications, especially if you're not shopping for a specific loan. 7. Become an authorized user. If a family member or friend has a strong credit history, ask if you can be added as an authorized user on their account. This can help improve your credit score, but make sure they maintain good habits. 8. Consider a secured credit card. If you can't get a traditional credit card, a secured card can be a good alternative. This requires a deposit, which determines your credit limit. Use it responsibly to build a positive credit history. 9. Diversify your credit mix. Lenders like to see a mix of revolving credit, like credit cards, and installment loans, like a car loan. But don't open new accounts just for this reason, only if it makes sense for your overall financial situation. 10. Seek professional help. Consider credit counseling if you're feeling overwhelmed. Reputable organizations can help you manage debt and offer free educational materials and workshops. 11. Avoid quick fix schemes. Beware of companies that promise to fix your credit for a hefty fee. Many are scams, and there's nothing they can do that you can't do yourself for free. 12. Stay patient and persistent. Repairing credit isn't an overnight task. It requires time, effort, and consistency. Celebrate small victories along the way. 13. Monitor your progress. Regularly check your credit score to monitor your progress. There are many free tools and apps that can help you track your credit score. 14. Limit the amount of debt you owe. This sounds obvious, but it's essential. Aim to live within your means and avoid accumulating new debt as you pay off the old. 15. Understand that negative information has an expiry date. Most negative information, like late payments or bankruptcies, will fall off your credit report after 7 to 10 years. Be patient and focus on positive financial habits in the meantime. In summary, repairing your personal credit requires a mix of education, diligence, and patience. With consistency and the right strategies, you can improve your credit health over time. Remember that building and maintaining a good credit score is a marathon, not a sprint.